What's up, guys? Adrian with AC Designs Garage. We just pulled the 1969 Firebird out of the booth and figured I'd roll it out in this gorgeous North Carolina sunshine today. Let y'all look at her right here in all her glory. I really like this color. This is a palladium silver. Same as the 69 Camaros, I think, is a Cortez silver on the 69 Camaro. But man, this thing's got some pretty lines. This silver really accentuates all the cool body lines and stuff on the car. All the underneath is already painted and everything done, so I'll do some more videos of the under the hood, and then we'll get it up on the lift and look underneath. Everything's really nicely detailed out and sanitary, kind of like the factory would have done, just a little nicer. We painted the whole underneath on a rotisserie. The bottom of the floor pans and everything is painted base clear, just like this is. Like I said, this is palladium silver. We shot it in a Deltron DBC base coat. I think we've done like 3 coats and a control coat at the end just to get all the metallics to lay pretty nice. Then I shot it with some Deltron, PPG Deltron 2002 clear. I think we done 4 coats on it because we got a color sand and buff. I like to put a little extra clear so I don't cut through. Right here you can see the reflection pretty good. It turned out nice. This silver, it's real clean. It has a small metallic in it. It's not like a real sparkly metallic, but it's just a really cool look. This car's getting a vinyl top, so instead of wasting a bunch of material and stuff, we shot a good heavy coat, a base coat on top, and a good coat of clear, but just to seal it up nice because it has to be sanded for the top to be put on. But hope you guys enjoy it. It's gonna be a really cool car. We've been working on it 2 years and a week now. Me and a buddy of mine rebuilt the motor, transmission, rear end. It's had fenders, doors, quarters, patched the floor pan some, and it's been a big job, but we really enjoyed it. Our customers we got are really cool. We've done a 69 Camaro for them also, but you can see here where we don't have the emblems and stuff. Of course, we'll put all that on. Here's all the, got a lot of cool chrome emblems. Where it'll say Pontiac there, and it has all the trim. The one thing about the Firebirds I really thought was really cool is the marker light on the side that lights up with the Pontiac bird. And also on the front of the fenders, we've already drilled the holes for the Firebird emblem that goes on here. But I think it's a really cool car. I think it looks good. We got the factory wheels all painted up in the Argent silver, and I think it's like a dark gray color, and we got BFG red lines on it, so it's gonna have the cool red line tires. It's gonna be basically a restoration. We do a lot of hot rods and muscle cars, but this here is like a factory restoration and stuff. So we can open the trunk up. I done all the jams and stuff in here yesterday when I was painting also. Have all that taped up. Yeah, this color is really cool. Can't wait to get the chrome bumper and stuff on so y'all can see it. But like I said, stay tuned, like and subscribe if you want to see more on this car. I'm gonna keep doing weekly videos on it, and when we get the interior in and the rest, I'm fixing to paint the hood here in a few minutes. The hood and headlight trim pieces, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Come along for a ride, and God bless. Here she is, 1969 Pontiac Firebird.